Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm showing you how you can make a legitimate money online by just doing a simple task. Guys, stay with me in this video to the very end. Let me show you how I make awesome money every day by doing just a simple task. Guys, for the first thing you have to do is just to create an account in this platform using your email. So once you create an account, you come to this platform. You're going to take you to this place. This is a Filecoin quantify. So in this place you invest money, AI trade for you. So the higher the amount of money you invest in this platform, the more money the AI can be making for you in a daily basis. So if you come to this place now, you can see that in Filecoin VP0 you are going to be earning nothing in this Filecoin VP0. So VIP0. So if you look at this place now, you see that in Filecoin VIP1 you need 10 USD to join Filecoin VIP1, and every day you'll be earning $1 every day in this Filecoin VIP1, and in Filecoin VIP2 you need 30 USDT, and every day will be earning 5 USDT. So Filecoin VIP3 will be earning 32 USDT every day, and you're going to be earning this for complete 360 days. Guys, this is awesome. The higher the level, the higher the amount of money you'll be earning in this platform. Guys, I've made a whole lot of money from this place. So all you have to do is first of all come to this place and click on recharge. Once you click on recharge, you are going to unlock any of the levels you want to unlock. If it is level 1, like me, I'm going to unlock level 1 now, showing you how I do this every day to make a whole lot of money for myself. So copy this wallet address now, send 10 USD to this wallet address. As I'm going to send 10 USD to this wallet address now, the minimum amount you need to deposit is 10 USDT. So I'm sending 10 USD to this wallet address using USDT 20 wallet address. Guys, I have recharged my wallet now. You can see it, recharge balance, and you can see my asset overview is 10 USDT. So once you recharge your wallet in this place, what you have to do is just come down straight this place. You come to quantify down here and click on this place to for AI to start trading for you. So when I click on it now, it's going to trade for me. See, payment successful. So this happens within a second, as you can see it loading, right? So I trade for you within some seconds and make your profit for you. And when you go to your account, you see that this AI has made me $1.6. Guys, this is awesome. And this thing, I'm going to be earning it every day, $1.6 every day in this platform. And I just use 10 USD to unlock this, and you see in 360 days I'll be earning like more than $500 in this platform. Guys, this is awesome. You can rush in and start making money for yourself. And this money now, I'm going to withdraw it, and if I want to withdraw, I just click on withdraw here. So once I click on withdraw, I'm going to put my wallet address by selecting my withdrawal method, add my wallet here. So I'll click on this place to add my wallet. So once I click on this place, this is where I'm going to paste my address. So then put my withdrawal password in this place and click on submit. Success. So the next thing I'm going to do is to come here now and click on this my withdrawal method, and then put my once I put my withdrawal method, I will go back to this place which I want to withdraw. Select your withdrawal method. Since I've added my withdrawal method, this is my withdrawal method, and then put the amount I want to withdraw. This is the amount I want to withdraw, which is $1.6. I'll put it here, 1.6. guys, 1.6. So I'll put 1.6 in this place. Then my payment password, I've created my payment password while I'm creating my account. So you can also create your own payment password while creating your own account. So there is no withdrawal fee. I'm going to receive this money complete in my wallet address. So once I'm done putting this, I'm going to click on confirm withdraw. You see, application successful. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to go to my wallet address to check if this money has been deposited in my account. Guys, if you look at this now, you see that I've received this 1.6 USDT now in my wallet address, and that's how you can withdraw your money from this platform straight to your wallet address. Guys, apart from that, you can also earn more money by referring your friends to this platform. So to refer your friends, just come straight to team. We see that if you refer one friend, you are going to earn commission percentage of 12%, and if you refer second and two friends, you'll be earning 24%, and the second person referral will be earning 3%, the third person referral will be earning 1%. Guys, this is awesome. There are different ways you can make a lot of money from this platform. If you need the support, you can also chat support from this place, and if you need the app, you can also come here to download the app. So this is the app here, and other features you can see in this platform. So this is the latest platform. You can just rush in and start making money for yourself. The link to this platform is in the description of this video. Just go straight and start making money for yourself. But guys, don't forget to do your own research. I'm not your financial advisor. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.